Hello, welcome to another video. Going to have a go at drystone dykes, walls with air dry modelling clay. I've looked at a few methods to make dykes and I couldn't see any that come up with what I was after, so I've had a go at this. It's fairly easy to work. Get it about waist high, shoulder high, somewhere around there, however high you want it. This is O gauge. They tend to be around waist or shoulder height. Bit of a batter on, so wider at the bottom, narrower at the top. You can shape it to whatever land form you want. Like to one side, and then start carving the rest. This one I did 24 hours ago, so it's nice and solid. I started carving it, so just have a go at this and see how we get on. We're just making out the shapes. We've got boggles in the wall. Make them as your stones, my foundation stones. Bigger stuff that's always going at the bottom, and the little bits you've shaped when you've done it, that kind of thing. Often dykes are coursed, so you get bigger stuff at the bottom, so you can sometimes just, especially with the top, go along and shape it like that. Just put a few lines in. Don't matter if it goes wobbly, because they're all slightly different. So a few lines in it. Staggy joints, any angle, any size stone. I'll get the pointier, back of the pointier knife. I picked the wrong one up. Just the back of the blade I'm using. Just gently, lightly go over your groove several times rather than pushing it in. So we've got that bit there. That could make one stone, couldn't it? A big wonky one, and a little one to make the end bit up. Take a bit out of it, like that. We'll do a speeded up bit and see where we end up. done some on the other side now, so we're getting there. Just cut a reasonable way into the top and down, and then just go round these top stones a little bit, because they're not all regimentedly flat, if that's even a word. They're just sort of a bit higgledy-piggledy. And just do that. I don't know if you can see that okay. Keep carving the front. Keep going over your lines. And you get there in the end. I'll keep chamfer the sides off. I won't do too much because you can see what I'm doing. Where we've got the cheek end, where it meets the gate post, you kind of normally would have a short, a long, staggered. Got that one off there. I'll have a long one, short one, longer one, short one, because the shorter ones will go through the wall, because you normally have so 3 layers and then a row of through stones. 2 layers, a row of through stones, depending how big, to tie the wall in. Won't be too bad when it's painted. And undercut the tops. I've mostly done one side, and then just work on the gate post, or whatever you're going to do. However you want it. Job done. Ish. Just painting.